When professionals work, their signature will marvel you. You can see, I don't need to talk too much. Yeah, nice job, nice work, nice work. Nice week. Everyone is switching to solar. So, what is your challenge? Why do you still run generator? This is massive. But this is in somebody's residence. This is massive, but this is in someone's residence. This when you see money talking. Huh. One is talking in this other side too. It's somebody's residence too. It's a residential facility that we install this. You can see these are lithium battery. You can see neatly wrapped, neatly wrapped, neatly finished. Ha 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 ha. So if you talk about power generation, consult us. You can't regret. You can't invest in this kind of project. Then you are working with quack. There's nothing like quackery in what we are doing here. You can see everything neatly arranged. You need to learn from people who are ahead of you in this industry. Pay small money and get this knowledge. You can't regret it. You can't regret learning under us. Aha. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. This is a nice project.